Everyone, good afternoon ma'am. My name is Alvin Cano from BSCS 3B. So, our system is focused in emergency alert in Baysabilan. Some of us here experience of delayed receiving memorandum about suspension of classes or announcement. That's why we come up here in this kanang idea about emergency alert system for Baysabilar. So, emergency alert system for Baysabilar student and faculty. The emergency alert system or EAES is exclusive notification platform for the student and faculty of Baysabilar. It is designed to deliver timely and accurate emergency announcement such as class suspension or safety alert due to events like typhoon or other unforeseen circumstances. The system ensures that only Baysabilar student and faculty can access and receive this alert through SMS or dedicated system, guaranteeing precise and secure communication within the campus community. So, kani nga topic is kanang emergency. For example ani is kanang kreya sa NDDRMC bitaw nga mo notify nimo ang message nga So, objectives to ensure BSC student and faculty are promptly informed about emergency to provide and efficient and reliable communication tools exclusive to the Baysabilar community. To enhance safety by delivering real-time notification directly to those affected.
The project was inspired by the need for a more efficient way to communicate emergencies within the Baysabilar campus. Relying on traditional memorandums or public announcement often results in delays and confusion. This system addresses the gaps by focusing on immediate, targeted communication. Our system aims to provide a faster and more direct way to share important information during emergencies. This ensures quicker and clearer communication to the right people. The users and integration with current system is the primary users is the Baysabilar students and faculties. Students of Baysabilar and the faculties are the main users of the system because they are the ones directly receiving the notifications. For students, the system is provide timely update about school activities, events, or emergencies, helping them stay informed and prepared. For faculties, it ensures they receive critical updates that allow them to manage their classes effectively and respond promptly in urgent situations. These groups are the system's focus because they depend on accurate and timely information to carry out their academic and professional responsibilities. The secondary users are Baysabilar administrative staff managing the alerts. The secondary users is the administrative staff. Their role is to manage the system by creating and sending notifications. They ensure that all communication is clear, accurate, and sent to the right people at the right time. By focusing on these two groups, the system creates a seamless flow of communication. Students and faculty benefit from timely updates, and the admin staff ensures everything runs smoothly. This ensures that everyone in the Baysabilar community stay informed, connected, and prepared. Thank you.
Good day, ma'am. I am Aline Banga from BCS 3B. So for the continuation of the report of my teammate, I'm going to discuss now about the integration and problem it will solve. So the integration. The system will connect to Bicebular existing student and faculty database to authenticate users and send alerts only to registered individuals. Notification will be issued via SMS or system, ensuring accessibility for all within the Bicebular community. So the problem it will solve. Announcement. So that provides immediate notification to target audience. The system ensures immediate delivery of notification to the target audience, keeping everyone informed in real time. Miscommunication and confusion. Will limit alerts to bicebular student and faculty avoiding misinformation. By restricting alerts to bicebular student and faculty, we reduce the risk of misinformation and ensure clarity. That enhance safety thoughts prompt alerts means it enhances preparedness by promptly notifying those directly affected by emergencies. Whether it's a natural disaster or an urgent situation, timely alerts will be enhanced preparedness and safeguard the community.
Use case of our system. The user kanang mag operate sa dashboard emergency signals. Ang emergency signals is view emergency instruction and disaster preparedness resources, accesses safety guidance ang user. Receive notification, emergency contact, weather updates, and kani nga broken line is kanang preferred to represent the user and the admin flows. Kani nga broken line.
So good day, ma'am. My name is Leia S. Samson from BSCS 3B. So this is the continuation of my group mates. So I'm going to discuss about the challenges and the key interviews. So the challenges is the data privacy and user verification, technical reliability during emergencies, and ensuring active use by all users. So the data privacy and user verification, ensuring that only verified by Subilar student and faculty members have accessed the system and received notification. This protects sensitive information and prevents unauthorized use. Technical reliability during emergency. Maintaining consistent system performance, especially during emergencies. The system must be dependable and function smoothly under high demand or critical situation, and ensuring active use by all users. So encouraging all students and faculty to actively use and respond to the system, ensuring regular interaction with the system will improve its effectiveness in emergency communication. And the key interviews are the IT staff, integration and feasibility administrators, current protocols, student and faculty preference and needs. The IT staff, integration and feasibility, they will provide insight into system, integration and technical feasibility. Their input is crucial for understanding how the system will be implemented and maintained. Administrators and current protocols. They will outline a current emergency communication protocol. Their knowledge will help ensure that the new system aligns with existing procedures and enhance overall communication. Student and faculty preference and needs. They will share insight on user preference and needs. Their feedback is essential for designing a system that effectively addresses the specific requirements of student and faculty, ensuring engagement and usability. So the use of the user see the dashboard, access updates and notification, emergency signals, use emergency instruction, disaster preparedness resources, access safety guides, receive notification, gets real-time alerts, emergency contacts, retrieve important info, weather updates, views update for safety, and the user to system, access, alert, and features. That's all. Thank you.